Obviously, when we do risk assessment, and from that we decide what needs to be done, military confrontation in Israel is something that you have to deal with. And obviously, we had the 2006 war in the north, but since then in the south, we had few events. So again, out of the commitment, we have to give the solution. When the decision makers have to make those decisions, the fact that they know that the hospital is protected is very important, because we know the effect on morale of the citizens if you have a hospital that's being hit by a missile. Here with us, we will be safe. We will be able to continue to work basically regularly, obviously with some limitations, and fulfill a commitment to give medical services in every scenario.